Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you made money while you were asleep. No clients messaging you, no boss, no extra hours worked, just automated income running in the background. In 2026, this isn't some fantasy, it's what AI makes possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how regular people are using AI tools to build simple side hustles that generate income 24/7 starting from home with just a laptop and internet. Welcome to AI Wealth Lab. Today you'll learn 5 AI side hustles that can make money while you sleep, even if you have zero technical skills. For each one, I'll break down what it actually is, how it makes money, a simple 3-step way to start, realistic earning potential, and a few practical tips to help you actually get results. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits you best and how to take your first step today. Let's get into it. 1. AI print-on-demand stores. What it is. This is one of the easiest ways to start. You create simple designs using AI, like quotes, graphics, or niche-related content, and sell them on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or tote bags. You don't deal with inventory or shipping. Once your store is set up, everything runs automatically. How it makes money: you upload designs, list products, and earn profit per sale. Example: selling price $25, cost $15, profit $10, and that sale can happen anytime, even while you sleep. How to start: 3 steps. Step 1. Use AI tools to create simple designs. Focus on niches, pets, hobbies, professions. Step 2. Upload to a print-on-demand service and connect to a store. Step 3. List your products with searchable titles and keywords. Practical tips. Tip 1. Start with micro niches. Instead of fitness, go specific. Funny gym quotes for beginners or powerlifting humor. Less competition equals easier first sales. Tip 2. Upload consistently. Don't stop at 5 designs. Aim for 30 to 50 over time. Most stores only start getting traction after volume builds. Example scenario: imagine you create 20 simple dog-themed t-shirt designs. One of them, just one more walk, starts getting clicks. It sells 2 to 3 times per week. That's around $80 to $120 per month from just one design. Now multiply that by 10 designs that perform. Earning potential: beginner $50 to $300 per month. Intermediate $500 to $2,000 per month. Advanced $3,000 plus. 2. AI YouTube automation channels. What it is: you run a YouTube channel without showing your face. AI helps you write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even assist with editing. You focus on publishing useful or entertaining content consistently. How it makes money: YouTube ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Videos can keep earning for months or even years. How to start: 3 steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. Focus on topics people search for. Step 2. Use AI to generate scripts and voiceovers. Step 3. Upload consistently and improve over time. Practical tips. Tip 1. Focus on searchable content first instead of random topics. Create videos like "In How to Save Money Fast" or "Best AI Tools for Beginners." These bring steady traffic. Tip 2. Improve thumbnails early. Even basic videos can perform well with a clear thumbnail. Use large text, simple visuals, and high contrast. Example scenario: imagine you start a channel about personal finance basics. You upload 3 videos per week. After 2 months, one video, how to save $1,000 fast, but starts getting views daily. It brings in ad revenue and clicks on affiliate links. Even if you stop uploading for a week, that video keeps working in the background. Like earning potential: first months $0 to $100. After monetization, $200 to $1,500 per month. Scale: $3,000 to $10,000 plus 3. AI generated digital. 3. The AI generated digital products. What it is: you create downloadable products using AI and sell them online. Examples: planners, ebooks, templates, guides. Once created, they can be sold unlimited times. How it makes money: you upload your product to a marketplace. Every purchase is automatic delivery. No extra work. How to start: 3 steps. Step 1. Choose a problem to solve. Step 2. Use AI to create the content. Step 3. Upload and list it with clear descriptions. Practical tips. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Your first product doesn't need to be 100 pages. A focused 10 to 20 page guide can sell well. Tip 2. Validate before creating. Search marketplaces first. If similar products already exist and sell, that's a good sign. Example scenario: imagine you create a simple weekly study planner for students. You design it in one afternoon using AI tools. You list it for $5. If you get just 2 sales per day, that's about $300 per month from a single product. Earning potential: beginner $50 to $200 per month. Intermediate, $300 to $1,000 per month. Top sellers, $2,000 plus. 4. AI affiliate content. What it is, you create content recommending products or tools and earn commission when people buy. AI helps you create blog posts, social content, and product comparisons. How it makes money, you earn a percentage from each sale through your links. How to start, 3 steps. Step 1, pick a niche with products. Step 2, create helpful content using AI. Step 3, add affiliate links and share consistently. Practical tips. Tip 1, focus on comparisons. Content like Tool A versus Tool B converts better than general posts. Tip 2, answer specific questions. Think, is this worth it? Best tool under $50? These attract buyers, not just viewers. Earning potential. Beginner, $0 to $200 per month. Intermediate, $300 to $2,000 per month. Scaled by $5,000 plus. 5. AI micro SaaS tools, no code. What it is, you build a small online tool that solves one specific problem. No coding required, just no-code platforms and AI integrations. How it makes money, subscriptions, one-time payments, freemium upgrades. Once set up, users can access it anytime. How to start, 3 steps. Step 1, identify a repetitive task. Step 2, build a simple version using no-code tools. Step 3, launch and share it. Ship practical tips. Tip 1, start extremely small. Don't build a complex app. One feature is enough. Tip 2, get feedback early. Share your tool in small communities. Improve based on real users. Earning potential. Beginner, $100 to $500 per month. Intermediate, $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Successful tools, $10,000 plus. Final comparison. Let's simplify everything. If you're a complete beginner, the easiest place to start is AI print on demand. It's simple, low risk, and doesn't require technical skills. If you want something creative and scalable, go with YouTube automation. If you want fast setup and quick testing, choose digital products. If you enjoy writing or content creation, try affiliate content. And if you're willing to learn a bit more for higher upside, micro SaaS tools. How to choose the right one. Here's a simple way to decide. If you have almost no budget, start with print on demand or affiliate content. If you have a few hours per week, digital products are a great option. If you can commit long-term consistency, YouTube has the best compounding effect. If you're willing to learn tools and experiment, micro SaaS has the highest ceiling. The key is not picking the perfect one, it's picking one and sticking with it long enough to see results. Important reality check. None of these are instant income. You'll need to learn basic tools, stay consistent, improve over time, but once set up, these systems can run in the background. That's what makes them powerful, and again, you can do all of this from home with just a laptop and internet. If you want more practical, beginner-friendly AI income strategies like this, subscribe to AI Wealth Lab and tell me in the comments, which side hustle are you starting first? I'll see you in the next video.